Hi students, welcome back to our English class. This is your second class, right? Yes, in our previous chapter, we already learned a beautiful story. Then, what was the name of the story? Yes, who is happy? Did you enjoy the story? Yes, I hope you all enjoyed the story well. So, before moving on today's section, I would like to summarize the chapter once again. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Okay, our chapter Who is Happy is about who? Yes, about a crow whose name is Peku. Then which all are the other characters in this chapter? Yes, Sona the swan. Sona the swan, Mitu the parrot, and Krish the peacock. Okay, these are the other characters in this story. Okay, once again you please repeat. Yes, Peku the crow, and Sona the swan, Mitu the parrot, Krish the peacock. Okay, these are the main characters in the story. So, we all know that in the first section of our story, Peku was very satisfied in his life, and after that when he met Sona, he was, yes, unhappy in his life. Why? Yes, he thought that our Sona was the most beautiful bird in the world. But what? Yes, Sona told him that no, I was not the most beautiful bird in the world, because whom? Yes, Mitu was the most beautiful in the bird. When he met Mitu, he also thought that yes, Mitu was the most beautiful bird in the world. But Mitu also disagreed with whom? Yes, this Sona. As per Mitu, who is the most beautiful bird? Yes, Krish was the most beautiful bird in the world. So our Peku decided to find Mitu. For that he searched everywhere in the forest. But at last, from where our Peku found our Krish? Yes, in a zoo. In that zoo, our Krish was in a cage. So, when he met Krish, our Peku also believed that yes, Krish was the most beautiful bird in the world. But Krish also disagreed with whom? This Peku. As per Krish, what? Yes, once he also believed like this. But what? His beauty made him a prisoner. Okay, so according to Krish, he was not at all happy. He was not the most beautiful bird in the world. And finally, our Peku can realize that what? Yes, if we compare yourself with others, it will make you unhappy. So, what is the moral of our chapter? Yes, value the things that you have. Okay, value the things that you have. If you like this Peku, if you are going to compare yourself with your friends, what will happen? Definitely, it will make you unhappy. Okay, so this is the chapter. So, now I would like to give some vocabulary words to you. Okay, for that all of you should take your notebook with your pencil. Okay, and get ready for write your notes. Shall I move on to the vocabulary words? Okay. The first word is clever. How can you read this word? Clever. Clever means intelligent. Clever means intelligent. I know you are very intelligent in your studies. Right. Yes, clever means intelligent. And the second word is big. Big. Children, have you seen, did you see birds? Yes, almost every birds add what? This big. And third word, beautiful. Sorry. Beautiful. Beautiful means? Yes, good. You are looking so beautiful. Like that. Yes, beautiful means good. Then fourth word, prettiest. Prettiest also have the same meaning as beautiful. Okay. Then the fifth word is feathers. And the story, what? Yes, our Mitu has green color feathers. It's made her more beautiful. Right? Yes. Then, sixth word, planet. We are living in which planet? We are living in? Yes, Earth. So, seventh one, prisoner. Fifth one is, seventh one is prisoner. Prisoner means, yes, jailbird, like your crush, Prisoner means jailbird. Then, next one, comparison. Comparison means what? Yes, I know you all have the same nature, because if your friend have one beautiful water bottle, you started to think, yes, he's a very beautiful water bottle, but my water bottle is not good as he, like that. Yes, that is comparison. That is comparison. Please read these words: clever, big, beautiful. Read beautiful, prettiest, feathers, planet. Sixth word is planet, prisoner, comparisons. Okay? Okay. So these are the vocabulary words. So all of you should write these words neatly in your notebook and studied it well. Then next, all of you take your textbook. Take page number 9. Here we have some textual activities. We have some questions here. Did you see? Yes. All of you take your textbook. Take page number 9 and take your pencil. Along with your textbook, all of you should take your pencil also. Okay. Yes. Shall I read the second question? B. Tick the correct answer in age. First question. Human beings tell the story of the dash to the children. Human beings tell the story of the dash to the children. Options are clever crow, dirty bird, lazy lion. Options are clever crow, dirty bird, lazy lion. Yes, which is the answer for this question? Yes, clever crow. So all of you put tick mark there. Clever crow. If you have any doubt, you can take the page number 1 and you can read this circle. If you read this, get the answer from here. Okay. So the second question, whom does Piku see first? Whom does Piku see first? Options are Sona, Krish, Meetu. Sona, Krish, Meetu. Whom does Piku sees first? Yes, Sona. We can pick the answer from page number 7, first line, Sona. The third question, Meetu is not happy because dash. Is she not beautiful? The peacock is more beautiful. She lives in a cage. What is the answer? Yes, the peacock is more beautiful. The peacock is more beautiful. Shall I move on to next question? Yes, fourth question. Piku visits Krish in the dash. Piku visits Krish in the dash. When our Piku visits Krish? Is it from forest? In tree? In zoo? Yes, the right answer is zoo. The right answer is zoo. Next, Krish feels that dash is more important than beauty. Options are colors, sweet voice, freedom. Colors, sweet voice, freedom. What is the answer? Is definitely this, freedom. The answer is freedom. Did you get? Okay, shall I move on to next section? Yes, see. What is that? Yes, write T for true and F for false statement. Okay, when I am reading this section, what you should put? T for right answer, F for false answer. Okay. Yes. Piku becomes, our first question, Piku becomes sad when he compares himself with Sona, the beautiful swan. Is it true? Yes, it's true. Second question, Sona is happy with how she looks. Is Sona happy? No, she is not at all happy. Yes, the answer is false. Third question, Krish is happy to be in the cage. Is our Krish is happy to be in the cage? No, because what? Yes, he is not able to share himself with others, share his feelings with others. Is he happy? No, he is not at all happy. The answer is false. Fourth question, we remain happy all the time when we are content with what we have. That is the moral of our chapter. Value the things we have. It will make happy. Okay, that is true. That is true. Okay, children, after finishing this section, all of you should take D section, that is read and answer the following questions. Okay, when I am reading these questions, all of you should listen here. Okay. Is Piku happy with himself at the beginning of the story? Is Piku is happy at the beginning of the story? All of you take the page number 6. Read this line. Yes, Piku is satisfied in his life. Why? He is gifted with clever mind, strong beak, tough body and wings to fly. So definitely what? Piku is happy with himself at the beginning of the story. Okay, Piku is happy with himself at the beginning of the story. Do you get? Okay, second question. What makes the swan beautiful? What makes our Sona beautiful? What makes our Sona beautiful? Yes, that white color. That white color makes our Sona beautiful. Okay, shall I move on to the next question? Yes. Is Meetu happy with her beautiful colors? Is Meetu happy with her beautiful colors? No, she is not at all happy with her beautiful colors. Okay. Then take page and take the page number 10. Fourth question. All of you listen here. Why is the majestic peacock sad? Why is the majestic peacock sad? Yes, the peacock has been caught. Okay, the peacock has been caught. That's why he is sad. Okay. Then next question, that is sixth question. What does Piku realizes at the end of the story? That means the moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? Value the things that you have, it will make happy. Can you repeat? Value the things that you have, it will make you happy. Okay, value the things that you have, it will make you happy. So next section is reference to context. First I read the question. Read the sentence and answer the questions that follow. Can you see? Yes. Oh Piku, thank you for praising me. I also felt the same until I met Krish. Who said these words? Who said these words? Yes, our Piku said these words. Second question. What is the second question? Was the speaker happy with the words of praise? Was the speaker happy with the words of praise? No. No. Then see, who is Krish? Who is Krish? Yes, Krish is our peacock. Krish is peacock. Then the last question is homework for you. Okay, that question is homework for you. So I hope you all enjoy this section very well. So if you have any doubt, you can ask your questions through WhatsApp or you can call me. Okay children, so all of you should all of you should follow teacher's instruction, and also I hope you all enjoy very well. Okay, thank you.